Today I'm going to take a quick look at these new locomotives that I've just received from Atlas. They're the Gold Series. It's an Alco FA-1 locomotives, an A and a B unit in the GN livery. This particular, these locomotives, number 276A and B, is based on a prototype, and the B unit had a cab. Now the Gold Series from Atlas is the one that comes with pre-installed ESU LokSound decoder inside it. As you can see, the livery is really excellent. Some good level of detail. There's a shot of the front and the back. The A and the B units couple together quite well, quite close coupling. Here's some of the overhead detail, which will look great with a bit of weathering. Overall, I think the livery and the mouldings are really quite good, and I'm very happy with how the models present. This is the first time I've had an Atlas locomotive, and I've had them for a few days now and had them running, and it's an exceptionally smooth runner, both at low and high speeds. And I'll start up the sound now. So we can see the units pulling a freight now. This is my first Atlas locomotives, and I am very impressed with their smooth running. For me, I'm very happy with my purchase, and I'll definitely be buying more Atlas locomotives in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this useful.